I'm James Swartz, managing attorney at Swartz & Swartz in Boston. So you've been in a car accident, you're likely to have conversations with various folks, insurance adjusters, perhaps the police, even other drivers. But during those conversations, there are certain things you should never say. For example, saying I'm sorry. That's natural. We want to say those words. Sometimes we just want to express sympathy or empathy. But in the context of a car accident, those words can be misinterpreted and used later on in potential litigation to try to prove liability. Also, I didn't see you is something else you shouldn't say. After a car accident, we're trying to piece things together. Often, it's too soon to know what happened, why it happened. And so statements at the scene about not seeing someone or other actions or inactions are not advisable. Again, those statements can be used later on in litigation against you by the insurance companies or the other side's attorneys. Also, statements that I'm not hurt or something to that effect. You might not realize that you have injuries. Sometimes injuries manifest themselves days or even weeks later. So please be aware. At the scene of an accident, of course, if it's an emergency, make sure someone calls 911 and you get to the hospital quickly. But if you're not feeling yourself and you think maybe you're okay, don't make statements to that effect. Finally, let's settle this between ourselves is another common statement made, and that's a mistake as well. Because even though you mean well, and you might want to avoid insurance companies, that kind of statement can be used later on in litigation. So if you have questions about a car accident, contact the specialist at Swartz & Swartz.